Good morning, everyone. Aradhna Tiwari from Be the Change by Aradhna, and a very, very happy Independence Day to all of you from India. And what else is possible? I'm Aradhna Tiwari, Be the Change founder and Access Consciousness certified facilitator, and your friend. And good morning, Monica. Happy Independence Day, whoever is joining in. Hello, Asma. Hello, Nati. Good morning, guys. Hi, Arpita. Good morning. How's the morning? How's the Independence Day going? Hope everybody, I'm sure everybody has a holidays already. But what's up? Hi Umesh, good morning. Good morning Simran. Good morning. Everybody joining in. Happy Independence Day. Happy morning. Happy day. And what else is possible? Hi Vineet, good morning. Happy Independence Day. So, Umesh, can I have the question? Alka, good morning, sweetheart. Thanks, Umesh. I'll acknowledge every breath is creation. Are you present and conscious about your creation? Are you guys? Oh, Monica says, I'm feeling so happy and relaxed today. Beautiful. Hi, Vijaya. Good morning. Hi, Yogi Ji. Good morning, Matty. Thanks for I love your comment. Good morning, beautiful smile. I like that name. Thank you. Hi, Sonia. Welcome to this space. So today is creation. Sorry, I'll just go back again. Acknowledge every breath is creation. Are you present and conscious about your creation? So are you present with each breath you take, or are you actually missing out on your breath? So it's like you're breathing, you're creating. So we think, what have you defined creation as? That it doesn't. And we think, there's a way to create, that we have to go work or do something. That's what is called creation, rather than it just is. And you just breathe. And it's so beautiful. Isn't that like, when I came to across this, I was like, wow, if I'm even breathing, I'm like, I say, if in the morning I'm waking up, I'm breathing, I am living, I'm in business, and I am creating. So hi Amishi. Hi Sheetal, welcome to the space. Lovely to have you here. So what else is possible? So what are you going to create today? So every breath, can you imagine, every breath that you're taking in, you are creating. So what are you creating? So are you creating happy moments? Are you creating fun? Or are you creating sadness? And are you present with your creations? And are you present with your breath? And that is when, there's such a this thing around the breath, from our yoga culture, from India, from ancient India as well, and how that's when yoga practices actually really focus on breathing. And I remember once I was into my yoga practice, and I suddenly felt that it's only, when I was breathing and I was doing this breathing exercise, I just felt that everything, the life force that we say, and everything is just that breath. And if you're going through any moment or any time, any tough time, any panic time, actually if you start concentrating on your breath, it just starts changing. And that is the life in the whole body, when you have to find out where is life, what is life, and that breath is life. And that, if you actually relax your breath, and if you count your breath slowly and steadily, it starts changing and shifting anything and everything. Eddie, always ready to create fun. Awesome, Vijay. Hi, Payal. Good morning, sweetheart. So it's like, and this is a very beautiful technique if you guys follow it and see it, that it's whenever you're in panic, actually go to your breath and just look at it and just like, what am I panicking for? And if you start acknowledging your breath and you're present with your breath, everything starts shifting. So in my toughest of the spaces and places in my life, that's when that's the one place I really go, and I actually start looking into my world, and I just start like, okay, where is my breath? Here. This is what it is. It's not about the body, it's not about the things, it's not about the people. This is what is. And if this is calm, and if this is quiet, everything will change. I'm not dying. So that breath makes me alive. So I'm just wondering that if you can actually be so focused and present with it every moment, wonder what magic can you create. So Alka says, was part of the yuck class with Dane, feeling so angry and annoyed since then. What's right about it? So is it yours, Alka? Is it or is it that your yuck is just coming on when you attend these workshops and spaces and places, you just bring up everything that you were holding behind. So what if you can actually be present with this interesting point of view, and what information and awareness your body is giving, Alka, that you have not acknowledging. So when you're feeling so angry and annoyed, is that a way of your body telling you something around you? It's also that everything that you have been holding back for ages and years, what if you ask, that is only coming on the surface and it's time for it to go, and if you acknowledge it, and it'll start changing and it'll go. Hi Pratishtha, welcome, good morning. Yes, receive, relax and flow. Beautiful. Receive, relax and flow. Monica has added from the release to flow, and I love that. Thank you. And you know how this, thanks Monica, this morning the energy of the flow was actually showing up, and that was a question I actually slept with, but when I woke up it was like, it was a different thing which actually came across. So what if you actually flow? So receive, relax and flow. Alka, what if you can actually do this exercise right now, and you can just receive this anger and do not have a point of view that this is an anger, this is this. Okay, even if you're angry, allow yourself to be angry, and allow him to bash up with anybody because you can, and otherwise just alarm them, guys, move away right now. I'm not in a mood. I'm gonna blast, and if it's okay, why you stay around me, otherwise move. And what else is possible? Awesome. Changing already. Thank you. Missing piece for me has always been acknowledgement. Awesome. And acknowledgement is the key to magic. Hi, Rora Indra. Welcome to the space. Is that your name? Or is Indra your name? Hello. Welcome to the space. So keep breathing, and every breath you take, if you start, good morning, Rituji, namaste. So how are you? Hope happy Independence Day, by the way, whoever joined in late. So from parlor, oh my God, somebody is in the parlor today on the Independence Day. I love that. Awesome, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And what else is possible? So keep breathing, keep acknowledging, and whenever this anger, when Sundari Mundari, so beautiful. So it's like when you're actually in those panic moments, Alka, like right now you were angry, you're upset, and anybody of you going through this, just actually go to your breath. That is it. There's nothing about your body, that's not about the people, nothing about it. It just is. And I remember when I was just watching my breath, I just felt like if I was just present with my breath, I actually felt my body going up, and I was like, wow, if I don't have a single point of view, that's when you can fly. And that's when the yogis could do this whole meditation, and they could take their bodies, astral bodies up. I had that experience. That was so beautiful. That was just so beautiful, because it was like I was just so present with my breath, and I was just concentrating on it, and then suddenly I felt, and I had no reference points, no thought in my head, and I just felt like that I was flying up. So looking awesome. Thank you so much, Indra. What else is possible? So what if you can be that, and today play with it, and even when you're sitting doing nothing. I know it's difficult for me. I'm actually practicing these days, but it's really, I wonder where I'm running from, because probably the moment I'll start breathing and focusing on my breathing, I'm going to change. I'm going to really fly up. Good morning, Mona darling. Happy Independence Day. Hey, Mehek, good morning. Welcome to the space. What else is possible? So do that and play. And I'm actually maybe, next my challenge might be on the breath. Wow, that's a good idea, guys. Let's do that. Maybe on the Insta, we can start that challenge of breath work, and, challenging ourselves to like breathe at least minimum 5 to 10 minutes every morning, or during the day. That will be great. And that will be like a challenge. When so many of us doing it, it's easy to do it. And I'm so grateful, I have such a big friend circle, and all of you, that when I'm in, you guys are in to participate, and few of you just show up, and then it's so easy. It becomes more fun, and you're just here and you're playing with the world. Isn't that so beautiful? I mean, I love Insta, I love Facebook. These spaces give us so much of joy and so much new friends and spaces, and what I have been wanting to do, really desired to do Interesting Point of View for 3 months, like ever, like it's been 7 years, and now I started why did this idea never come early? But today I'm like, okay, let's play with this breath work. I'll soon come up with this breath work challenge and let's play with it. If anybody is gonna be in, please be in, and let's do that, because I get that that's gonna be with interesting point of view, and the breath work we can change everything. And if you start focusing and present with the breath, wonder what beautiful creations are on their way on this planet. So Monica says, I'm in love with my breath as I'm present with it so much, and so much is releasing. Wow, beautiful. Thank you, darling, and happy Independence Day to everyone. Mona says, thank you. You're the bonding factor, Radna. Oh, auntie. I think it's all, each one of us. We all are, and we are all so committed to be here, and it's so beautiful. Like, I am mostly in tears with the total gratitude. The how you guys come, listen to me, my mug, my chuck, and then you still love me. That is so beautiful. How did I get so lucky? But thank you again to each one of you who comes here, listens it, and I mean, you follow it or not follow it, I just come and share my heart. It's like talking my heart out, being vulnerable with you guys and playing. It's so beautiful. So let's see. So today, focus on your breath. Even if you forget, and even if you're like cranky or something is going on, the only thing is you just start taking back yourself to the breath and just start observing your breath. Things will change.
Sure.
So concentrating on breath makes me silent and stillness. Yes, and with that silent and stillness, if you flow, it'll be beautiful. It's like that river flowing, Ganges flowing. It's like, wow. I'm like already feeling orgasmic about it. Like, wow. It's like, thank you. You know, that silence and stillness has become my new friend, and it's so amazing. And it's not that a daily question comes in and I forget it. I keep following whatever I do. So whatever you guys like and which is really fun and exercise, please follow that. Don't like leave it every day. And along with it, what can you add to your life each day with each question and looking into yourself? Monica says, I love your bug and chuk. It's so contributed. Thank you. How beautiful is that? You guys receive everything. Thank you. Thanks for the new game introduced, Play With Your Breath. Yes, Vijay. Awesome. Mornings are just wonderful to meet you live and listen to you. Oh, Mish, you are kind being. Thank you. And anything else I can contribute to you guys? Sorry, there was a phone call. So what else is possible? Today, be present. Enjoy the Independence Day. What does independence means to you? That is a great question to ask. What if it's not about the country, not about thing, it's about you? So what does independence means to you? You can play with that too, and keep considering, keep acknowledging, be, consciously breathe and consciously create. Awesome. All right. Then see you. Have a beautiful day ahead. Anybody wants to join in for the Out of Control series today, please join in. Get in touch with the team. And what else is possible? And addiction and entities, talk to entities and foundation, anybody who is. And guys who are not from Access, go check out. It's a beautiful space. It just gives you tools to empower you when you're even sitting alone, when you're just sitting at home, and you don't have to go to anybody. These are like the 32 bars, which is 32 points in your head, which actually starts dissipating all the thoughts and processes and stuff which is really bugging you, and which you probably have to concentrate and shut your eyes and do it for ages. But this can be just like simple. You can just get your bars run. These are the 32 points. Somebody else touches you can touch your own points, but somebody else can touch it, and you feel so orgasmic, you feel so beautiful, and you just feel like how amazingly you can sleep well. Awesome. Love you all. Beautiful. Go check it on accessconsciousness.com or on my page or wherever you want. There's so much available here. You are contributing so much. Thank you. Thanks, Indra, for receiving it. Bye. Say hello, Sahista. Good morning. And thank you, everyone. I love you all. See you all tomorrow at 11:11. Bye-bye.